My name is Sarah Fontenot. I started out in nursing. I was a nurse for about 10 years before I went to law school. When I first got out of law school, I practiced medical malpractice defense. I always want to stress the defense when I'm speaking to physicians especially. I did that for a couple of years and then I got a chance to teach. I used to teach at Yale Medical School in the Department of Epidemiology and Public Health. I had the great honor and privilege of doing that for a couple of years before my husband and I moved to Texas. We've been in Texas now for about 12 years in a tiny little town called Fredericksburg in central Texas. And ever since we arrived there, I have been teaching at Trinity University in San Antonio. Again, I teach health law, but now I teach in the Department of Healthcare Administration. My students are graduate students in healthcare administration. For the most part, they will become hospital administrators. My husband, who I've already mentioned, is a pediatrician, and I like to say that because if over the course of the next 10 hours I have any moments of being flip, I do not mean to be offensive. I live with all these issues in my own living room, as it were. On this slide, you'll see that's my website. Without further ado, if you want to know anything more about me, my background, my credentials, contact, whatever, you can all find it there on my website.